Here we go again.
You would be surprised by it when you try it.
Hey Sean, how about I take it to my friend Jane? She also has a restaurant. Maybe you'll like to try her soup.
Are you serious? Why would I waste my time tasting her soup when I'm sure my soup is the best?
You're assuming that your soup is better, but you haven't tried hers yet. To be honest, I like her soup better.
Why would someone that has a small restaurant have better soup than me?
Trust me, you'll be surprised when you taste it.
Fine, I'll taste her soup just to prove you're wrong.
Welcome, Mason. Looks like you brought a friend here. Is that your boss?
Yes, he is my boss, and we're here to try your soup.
Okay, let me get you 2 bowls.
I already know I have the best soup. It is amazing.
I told you so. Are you surprised?
It's amazing soup, but it's not better than my soup.
How rude of you to say that.
It's true, my soup is better than your soup. I wonder if that's the best you could do. Her soup was so bad. What soup even was that?
Bird soup.
Bird soup? That's the weirdest thing ever created.
You always think your soup is the best.
Because it is the best.
Maybe you like her soup, and you're just scared to admit it. I've known you for a long time. I know what that look means.
Why would I like her soup?
You do like your soup. You're just scared to admit it. Come on, let's just go back to our restaurant.
That would be great. Let's go.
I've made some changes to my soup. I'm pretty sure you will like my soup.
Listen, I do like her soup.
I knew it.
I should try to steal her recipe.
What's why?
It's because her soup tasted really good. I think it's better than my soup. I need the best soup, Mason.
Are you sure about that? If anyone finds out you stole it, you might go to jail for it. It's not worth it. You want to be the best chef, right?
Good point. So what do you suggest? Maybe if we ask her, maybe she would share this secret with us. Excuse me, Jane. What? I admit, your soup tasted really good. What's your secret?
What? I can't believe you just asked me that after the way you reacted the last time you were here.
So what's the secret then?
My secret is I simmer my soup in my old grandfather's pot.
Interesting.
So how long did you have that pot?
It has been passed down to me by my family, so it has been a long time.
Can we learn to make soup when you want it these days?
Sure thing. What about this weekend?
We'll be there.